Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a use case diagram in Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first is open up Draw.io. Now, once we've got this opened up, we want to go ahead and enable the UML shape library. So to do this, go ahead and click onto more shapes, scroll down and make sure UML 2.5 and UML is selected, and then go ahead and click apply. Now at the bottom left hand side of the panel, you're going to see two tabs that we can use to help us draw this use case diagram. So I've just opened up these two tabs so you can see all the different type of options we can use inside of our use case. So we've got people and objects inside of here. So what I'm going to do is start with a user. So I'm going to go ahead and put an actor in, make him a little bit larger like so. Now we can change the name of the actor. This is fully customizable. On the right we can change the style text and arrange how it looks, but I'm just going to keep it simple for this demonstration. Now next I want to go ahead and put a bubble, so I'm going to add a couple of these. So to make it quick, I'm going to Control C and Control V 3 of these like so. Then from here we can go ahead and add some arrows, some joiners for this, so we can connect that like so. Control C, V again. So if I move this, that's going to connect out, so we can do that to all this other stuff. So you can have a full play around of this, and these are all customizable too, these use cases. On the right we can change the text, make it bold, background color, the style, give different colors and all that fun stuff.